Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys haven't guessed it, today I did the one and only Selena Quintanilla makeup tutorial. If you guys are wondering, I did buy this little cute hat from Windsor. You know, if you guys do like my hat, it's super cute. Go get yours from Windsor. And if you guys are wondering, I do have another Selena Quintanilla makeup tutorial. I'm gonna link it after this one so you guys could go and watch it. So if you guys do want to see me turn myself into Selena Quintanilla, then just stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna be priming my eyelid with the e.l.f. concealer. You can find this at any drugstore. I'm using like a really light color. Just gonna apply it on my eyelid. I do have moisturizer on my skin already. I'm just gonna blend that concealer in. We are going to be using the BFF BH Cosmetic palette from Alo and Elsie. It has a lot of neutral colors and I personally love that palette, so we're gonna be using that palette to do today's eyeshadow. As you guys can see, I already have this eye done. This is what we're going for, a really nice cat's eye. So to begin with, I'm gonna be using the color 24 and the color peach as our transition color. So go ahead and mix those two colors in and blend that all over the eyelid. So you just want to blend this in circular motion. So we're going to be going in with the Alo and Elf color, which is this brown one right here. We're going to blend this all over our eyelid and apply this one right here. And I'm doing also circular motion because the look that I'm going for Selena, it's kind of like a winged liner. You know, she was known for her wing liner and her dark bold red lipstick, so that's what I'm going for. And then the picture looks like she's wearing a little bit of eyeshadow, and then try and blend it with the first color that we applied, just so you could get like a nice blended eyeshadow. And yeah, I did dye my hair. Right now I look like a lion, but it's because it's drying. I'm gonna be wearing a bun in this look, so doesn't matter, just ignore this lion hair. Okay, so once you have that, you're gonna go in with some concealer and you're gonna cut your crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be back. Okay, so just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Bon Appetit, and it's this light white shade. I'm gonna apply this all over the concealer. I'm going in with the same brown color. Go ahead and go in with the brown, and then you just want to blend these two colors in. Now we're going to go in with our eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I like to use this tip liner. I feel like it's easier for me to apply eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm going to do it off camera because it's kind of hard since I haven't done eyeliner looks in a while now. I do have a video on how to do eyeliner, so if you guys do want to go check it out. Okay, I need to hurry up because my camera is gonna die and I need to get this makeup done. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Hangover setting spray primer, setting spray, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my skin. It smells really good. It smells like peaches. I'm trying to dry my hair and my face at the same time. So I'm going to apply this correcting concealer under my eye. I'm going to apply a little bit though. I don't need a lot. And then over here. My battery is already red. But I'm going to try and like film as much as I can. So I'm just going to blend that in. So once we have that, I'm gonna be wearing the Super Stay Maybelline in the color 220. I just shaved my face, so my makeup should be applying I like to bring it down on my throat or my neck. You guys know what I mean. Once I have that, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in with the beauty blender. Yeah, I'm gonna go finish my face and I'll be back for the lips. Okay guys, this is the final look. So for the red lipstick, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty red lipstick, and this one is really nice. It's a really nice red lipstick. It's really matte and it's long lasting, so I really like that. So I'm just gonna apply it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm just bronzing. Guys, this is the final look. This is the Selena Quintanilla inspired makeup. I'm gonna show you guys the picture that I was going for. Obviously I do not look like her, you know, exactly like her. She's the one and only queen that looked like herself. This is just a recreational makeup tutorial inspired by her, the only queen bee. But this is the look that I was going for right there. It looks like she was wearing eyeliner. This is pretty much it. I know I didn't really show you guys like the full makeup. It's just that let me get some air because somehow I am losing my breath. My dumbass didn't charge my camera, so you know, it was a fuck up on my end. So yeah, I couldn't record can't speak. I couldn't record all of that, but I did record the most important parts, you know, which was the eye look and the lip. I just ate green enchiladas, and as you can tell, my lipstick didn't get fucked up, and I didn't even fix it. This was my lipstick. I mean, I did eat with the fork, so you know, I was like I didn't want to touch my lipstick, so I did eat with the fork, but you know, it didn't like smear in the bottom. It usually smears like right here. So I am gonna mention one product that I'm obsessed with, and I feel like this palette is a must in your makeup collection. I recently bought the Physician Formula All-Star Face Palette, and this is how it looks. You guys, I am in love with Physician Formula. Their bronzers in general are the bombest bronzers you can ever try, and they all smell so good. So I did use this one as my highlighter. I used this one as my bronzer. Well, actually I used this one as my bronzer blush because I'm not wearing blush, because whenever I wear like red lipstick, I don't like to wear blush. I don't like to overdo my face with like blush, because then I feel like a clown, you know. I'm gonna be looking like a fucking clown. You look like a clown. I have that little voice in my head, the one where Nicki Minaj is like, you're a clown. So I have that stuck in my head. Like if I wear blush when I wear red lipstick, I feel like I look like a clown. And so whenever I wear like bold lipsticks, I try to just stay very like matte or like bronzed in my face. You know, I just want my lips to be the center of attention, obviously. This is the highlighter I'm wearing. My eyeshadow, a little Selena moment. Let me tell Alexa to play Selena. Oh my god, you guys. So I am like a hard karaoke fan. Like I love karaoke. I bought myself a microphone. So I can probably do a little karaoke for you guys. So it's so cool because you connect your phone to the microphone. I'm gonna turn on. You guys, I bought this little microphone at TJ Maxx, and it's literally a life-changing thing because when I'm fucked up, I can just do my own karaoke. I'll be doing karaoke in my room right here. I'll be like singing my emotions out by myself. Or maybe like my boyfriend will be here. He'll just be here and he'll like be on his phone, and I'm just here singing to him, and he'll be so annoyed with me. He'll be like, go outside and sing in the living room. And you guys, I literally like took some cute pictures like with the whole Selena vibe, so I can't wait till you guys see those pictures on my Instagram. And if you guys still haven't followed me, my Instagram is this, so make sure you guys go follow me so you guys can see all of the cute outfits that I be posting. And you can take out the little lights. If you looked in my eyes, would you see what's inside? Would you even care? So you guys get me in my karaoke zone and then I don't know when to stop. Aunque soy pobre, todo esto que te doy. Okay, I think this is my favorite song from Selena. Ya no haces falta aquí. Pues ya ves, no es tan sencillo. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.